Hello guys, welcome to GT Science tutorial. So today in this video I am going to talk about rules of refraction in concave lens and image formed by concave lens. And to understand this video properly, please go and watch my previous video about rules of refraction in convex lens and image formed by convex lens, so that it will be easy for you to understand this video. And if you haven't done it already, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from me. So let's start. Now let's start from the rules of refraction in concave lens. The first rule is when a ray of light parallel to the principal axis passes through a concave lens, the refracted ray seems to be diverging from the principal focus f, okay, as shown in figure. Now let us consider a concave lens over here. This is the principal axis. Now let us consider a ray of light parallel to the principal axis. Then this light will strike the lens and will get diverged. So if we produce this divert to the backward side, this will strike the principal focus. So this is the first rule. Similarly, the second rule tries to say that a light ray passing through the optical center O after refraction passes straight without suffering deviation. Let us consider a concave lens like this. This is the principal axis. Now, if the ray of light comes from the infinity and if it strikes the lens at optical center, then it passes without suffering any deviation. This is the second rule. By using these two rules, rule 1 and rule 2, we can actually study the image formed by concave lens. So let's see some image formed by a concave lens. Now let's see what kind of image is formed when object distance is varied. In that, the first point is when an object is placed beyond 2f. Let's see what happens in it. A light ray parallel to the principal axis originating from A of the object passes through the concave lens. The refracted ray seems to be diverging from the principal focus f. Second light ray originating from the same point passes through the optical center. Now let's see the figure. In this figure, this is a concave lens and this line is called the principal axis. Now let us consider AB is an object which is placed beyond 2f. So two light rays will evolve from A. The first one will be parallel with the principal axis, that is this line, and the second line will pass through the optical center without deviation, that is this line. So the light which passes parallel to the principal axis will strike the lens and will get deviated. So if we produce the light in opposite direction, so then these two lines will cut here, the image will be formed here. Okay, this is a very important condition. So the position of the image will be between f and o in the front of the lens. Okay, you can see here the image has been formed between f and o before the lens. Okay, now the nature of the image will be virtual, erect and diminished. The meaning of erect is will not be inverted. Okay, so this kind of image will be formed when an object is placed beyond 2f. Okay, and the second condition is when an object is placed at infinity. So let's see what happens when an object is placed at infinity. Now let us consider a concave lens. This is the principal axis. Now let us consider two light coming from the infinity. So they will strike the lens and they will get diverted. So these two lines will meet at the principal focus. So the position of the image will be at the principal focus f and the nature of the image will be virtual, erect and diminished. And at the last, let's see some differences between real and virtual image. This is a very important question for SCE examination. But before that, let's understand what a real image is and what a virtual image is. So let's see what are they. An image that can be obtained on a screen is called real image, and the image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. Now let's see some differences between them. So here I have made two columns. In the first column there is real image and in the second column there is virtual image. So the first difference is real image is formed by the interaction of real refracted rays and virtual image is formed at the point where the refracted rays appear to meet. The second difference is real image always forms at the other side of the lens and virtual image always forms on the same side of the object. The third difference is real image is always inverted and virtual image is always erect. Real image its size depends on the distance of the object from the optical center. But in virtual image, convex lens produces larger image, but concave lens produces smaller images. And the last difference is real image can be obtained on a screen and virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. So these are the differences. You can actually take the screenshot 1 2 3. Okay, so that's all for the concave lens. Thank you. I hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please share this video to all those students who are currently studying in class 10 so that it will be easy for them to understand this topic. Thank you.